this strategy is gonna pop out, because literally it is a pop-out. There's one magic number that you need to understand, and just by knowing this, it's going to put you at a level that is better than 99% of other people who call themselves not just affiliate marketers, but marketers in general. This abbreviation, known as CPA or CPL, stands for cost per acquisition or cost per lead. Super nerdy lingo for just saying how much do you need to spend to acquire a lead or contact. But mastering this number is the difference between having a hobby and a 7-figure business. When I first heard of affiliate marketing, I thought, this seems like a legitimate side hustle with low costs, low risk, I gotta try it. But I think when I first started, I was actually doing it all wrong. And if I could go back and do what I know now back then, dude, my numbers would be even 10 times crazier. So what was I doing wrong? And more importantly, how do you do it right? First, let's break down what affiliate marketing is. Essentially, you are an online saleswoman or salesman selling on the internet, and you get paid a generous commission for every product that you sell. It's amazing. You don't have to care about inventory, you don't have to care about taking care of customer service. All you have to do is worry about the sale, driving the traffic. And that's what I did. I thought I was doing it right. At the beginning, I just focused on the traffic, but then a very scary scenario happened. I was promoting this one company all out, my top source of income at the time, and they literally kicked me out of the program for no good reason. And I thought, how is this possible? How is this ethical? I was their number one salesperson. How could they just remove me from their program? Literally, my income vanished like that, and I had nothing to do, and I couldn't do anything because as part of a typical affiliate terms of service, you're basically a contractor. At a whim, they can cut you off. So that was a massive learning lesson for me. So how do you capture an email? How do you capture a lead if it's the most important thing to do? Well, it's actually quite simple. All you have to do as an affiliate for a business is create something valuable. So valuable that someone would be willing to trade their email to receive. Don't make this complex. It can be as simple as, here's 3 amazing companies that are creating a new healthy green smoothie recipe. People that are interested in those green superfood recipes are gonna love that. And they're always gonna be looking for the next best thing. So creating the value, all your job is to create that blog, that article, and then put it out in the right places and target those right people. It's literally as simple as that. Your creativity is basically the limit on what is valuable. And now that you know the number CPA, if you are running ads behind your lead generation strategy, you'll know if it's valuable or not. Simple as this. Let's say my Super Green Smoothie blog, I put it out on the internet, I'm running ads behind it, and then I learn a couple days in that my cost per lead is like $10. Every $10 I spend to capture just one lead. It's just not good enough. That's the data-driven sign to tell me my idea, I need to scrap it and find a new one. On the opposite end, if I am trying to collect leads and I'm doing this via a paid acquisition way, those leads come in and I'm spending $1 or less, right? And that's how I know I'm onto something. Now, if you don't have any money to do affiliate marketing, that's okay, because you can promote organically. Literally, use TikTok, pick a niche, start creating content on that niche, and then drive traffic and the link in your bio, capture the lead, and promote the affiliate offer. Seriously, this is the most powerful, magical thing an affiliate can have is emails. And today, I have over 300,000 of them. So how I made over $700,000 from affiliate marketing is from the strategies you just learned. CPA, CPL, on all my campaigns is under $1. In fact, most of it is between 20 and 30 cents. So I'm getting thousands of emails every single week, over 300,000 emails today, and again, I've been doing this a while. I'm also doing the free organic way, creating blog posts, TikTok videos to drive traffic, to capture leads, and promoting affiliate offers. This literally business of mine that has blown up over the last couple of years is the reason why I hired and retired my dad. Affiliate marketing is probably the most passive thing I do. And if you're thinking about it, I encourage you to do it because, again, super low risk. You don't have to spend money on ads. You can promote organically. And your business, your sole goal is to collect emails and leads. That first big milestone for you is once you have 10,000 emails, then you have the power with one click of a button to send an offer and make money. If you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing, I do happen to have a pretty cool course. Make sure you go to adrianbrambila.com/affiliate to check it out. Otherwise, I'm trying to make a name in the affiliate world, so I'll be posting more free YouTube content here. If you want to try affiliate marketing, or if you are doing it, comment below. I'd like to hear what your thoughts are. Otherwise, I want to say thanks for watching, peace, and God bless.